You spend so much money to buy a camera that shoots in 4K. You spend money to buy that phone, that iPhone, that Samsung that gives you 4K footage. But why do your videos still look blurry after editing and exporting them? The problem is not your camera. The problem is not your phone. There is this one setting in Premiere Pro that gives you excellent ultra sharp videos after export. In this video, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit in 4K sequence in Premiere Pro and also show you the exact and the best format to export your 4K footage in Premiere Pro. In case you are seeing my face for the very first time, I am Anny, a video editor and a cinematographer. In Anny Studio, we don't talk much. Let's show working. So guys, this is how my workstation look like. So having imported your video to Premiere Pro, right? The first thing to do if you are editing in 4K sequence is not to drag this guy here. If you drag this guy to this place, let's show working. Drag here to here. This video A is giving you the exact size of its footage that it was shot from the camera or from the phone. If it was in 720, what you have here is 720. If it was in 1080, what you have here is 1080. If it was in 480, it's the same thing you have here. If it is in 2K, that's what you will have here. So the main thing is that you don't drag it, except you are sure that you shot it on your camera with a 4K format, 4K video size. If not, you want to make sure that you are editing and exporting in 4K, you have to do this. So let's delete this guy, delete it. What you will do here, you cancel this one. You can see, drop media to create sequence. If you drop it, you are creating sequence from the media. So you are creating 4K sequence by yourself. What you will do is you come here, click on sequence, or you just Ctrl N simple on your keyboard. You have your sequence here. So what you will do is, like I said, this one I've been saying, this one is because I have all my presets saved already. Okay, so you come to, for your own case, you come to this digital SLR, you restore them. We are editing landscape, so you come to 1080 pixel, you restore them. For cinematic footage, like I always say, the best is for 24 frames per second or 25 frames per second. So prefer using 25 frames per second. You click on it and you don't click OK. Don't click it. What you will do next is you come to your settings, right? Settings. You can see here frame size 1920 horizontal. The vertical one is 1080. You don't have to swap them. You let it be like this because you are editing landscape, not portrait. So what you will do here, this is a 1080 1920 compared to 4K is just saying times 2 raised to power 2, right? So what you are doing here is just to asterisk this guy to times it by 2. So it's simple enough. You just put asterisk 2 on your keyboard. Don't do mistake. Come to this guy here, click on it, asterisk 2. You are good to go. Now if you click OK, you will see your sequence is ready for editing. But if you want to save this preset here so that you will not always come to go through all this process while creating your 4K edit workflow again, you come to your save preset, you click. So coming here, you can rename it anything you want. I already have my own 4K. Let's just save it for the sake of this tutorial. Let me just say 4K sequence. Okay, you are good to go. You click OK. You can see it's loading. It's loading to the point you have seen here. 4K sequence. This is the one I created before this tutorial. So this is the one we just created, 4K sequence. So you go ahead and click OK. Now your 4K sequence is ready for editing. Now what do? If you bring in this file now, Okay, bring in this file to this place. Change sequence settings, keep existing sequence, always keep existing. Okay, let's enlarge it. You can see it now. Why you have this space here is because this footage is smaller than the sequence we have here. This was shot in 1080 pixel, not 4K, right? So the sequence here is 4K, while the footage is was in 1080 or in 1080 as well. So what you will do here, like I said, between 1080 and 4K is just times 2, rest of our 2. For those of you that are very good in mathematics, that is the mathematical line, rest of our 2. Okay, so you come to your scale as well. You can see the original scale is in 100%. With common sense, if you something that rest of our 2 is times 2, if you just edit this place to 200, 200, are you seeing now? Now your video is 100% fit to 4K sequence. Now I've made tutorial on how to copy your effects and copy everything you have to copy. In case you did not see that video, you can check it out, but let me still touch it some more for the sake of people seeing this for the first time. Now let's say, for instance, you have other clips like this. Okay, you have other clips like this, right? So how do you do it? Do you still have to go through the process of putting all of them to 200? You click on this one, put to 200 before you can continue your editing? No, you don't have to go through that stress. So what you will do here, you just come to this guy that you have your 4K fitted already. You right click, you copy, come to these ones that are still in 1080, you highlight everything as well, you right click and you paste attributes. You don't have to adjust anything, just click OK and you are good to go. That's simple and interesting, right? You can see everything is being set to 4K. Now if you export this video now, there will be a very big difference from the one we should have been exported in 10K or 720 as well. So now let's go straight to exporting sequence. After editing everything, don't forget to save your project. Come here, you save, or you just Ctrl S on your keyboard, it's the same thing. So come in here, okay, export media, or you just Ctrl M, you can see it here, Ctrl M on your keyboard, just Ctrl M. The export interface has opened. Let's start with the preset. Okay, this preset now, match source high bitrate. This is the best preset you can pick for your 4K video editing. Export it to give you the highest quality and also give you a better storage value. It will save your space and also give you the best quality as well. It will not drop your video. It is best for your YouTube. Anyway you want to upload it, you will choose this one. Or if specifically, listen carefully, if specifically you know that the video you just edited is meant only for YouTube long videos, right, you can go ahead and choose this one. This will give you the best while uploading on YouTube. But if you are not sure, you just want to do it general export, you go ahead and choose this one. This performs best for every platform as well and everywhere. Okay, you click on this. Now coming to your format as well, you will ignore all these guys here. The best format is this one that I have here already, because I've been editing in Premiere Pro for a long time, that's why. But if you are coming to export here for the first time, it will not be here. It always be around this AVI. It always be around this AVI. You can see the change already on my screen. It has compressed the 4K edited video we just edit. It has compressed it from 4K to something else. So if you don't want to try that, you go back and take it back to your H.264, right? You have your videos back. You can see the difference. The other one was compressed, and this one gives you the exact quality that you are looking for. So at this point, you are good to go. I've shown you in my previous video how to rename your video. You can come here, rename anything, and also choose where you want to put it. You are good to go from here. You save. Now don't forget your format and your preset, very important. You scroll down to where you have export and you click on export. Now you are good to go. After exporting this video, you will see the difference from the one you have been editing. Thank you for watching to this point. If you have found this video helpful, and I know it is helpful, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss out in all my amazing teaching how to edit videos, cinematography tips and filmmaking. Peace.